Obviously, I am back from the tuning school. Man, I've learned a lot of stuff, but a lot doesn't even cover what I have to learn, but I learned a lot. I got my money's worth out of it. Tony Gagnon is he is extremely well at what he does. I mean, he can answer a question like that, very and in depth as you want, if he's got time. Now this was only a 2-day course, but I learned a lot of things, a lot of things. We are going to start working on the 2-valve. I got to put some things back on it, like the pulley bridge, yada yada yada, and adjust the clutch, and yada yada yada, some little knick-knack stuff. Anyway, this is what y'all been waiting for. As you can see, it's right behind me, right here. It's not what some of y'all guessed. Y'all thought it was going to be a Coyote swap. That would have been nice. Difference is, pretty much have everything to do this swap already. And we'll go over the cost maybe in another video, but I'm extremely okay, I'm very cheap into this. Okay, that's what I should have said and went way off there. But I have very little money in this. Now, Coyote swap would have been nice maybe in the future. Maybe, I don't know. But my mind's been working these past few days, and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. I'm not sure yet. Been talking to the wife about some things. Anyway, without further ado, basically all I'm going to be doing is undressing this motor. I'm taking the stuff off I don't need, and the wiring harness, getting it ready to be cleaned up, all that good stuff, pressure wash, degreased. Now y'all are gonna be like, oh, why ain't you, Anyways, I'm not gonna get into that. We're gonna go ahead and de-dress the motor, get all the things off that I don't need, and then we'll go over it and look at it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film cleaning it up. It's just gonna add to the video, and it's not, cleaning the motor isn't worthy of filming in my opinion. But I picked some things up for this bad boy over the weekend too. So just know that. Anyway, without wasting any more time, I'm gonna go ahead and get into de-dressing this motor. Alright, probably not gonna be talking much because it's quite a bit, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you the motor, how nasty it is and all. And as you can see, it's pretty disgusting. I think this guy lived on a dirt road or something. He was a country boy I bought it from. It was his daily. Alright dudes, what's up? I'm not gonna leave you hanging. It took me probably 2 hours to get it this way, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got. Just keep this in one video. So here's what it looks like now. Basically just sprayed engine degreaser all over it. Let it sit for like 15 minutes. Just let it sit for about 15 minutes. I'm sorry for the lighting in some areas. Still haven't got lights. Keep spending money on car parts instead of damn lighting. But as you can see, it is super clean, except obviously where shit pulled right there on the bottom and didn't come off. But that's no big deal. I can just wipe that off. But it is super clean. Super clean now. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how clean it come out. All that good stuff. Everything was obviously blocked off that didn't need water getting in it and all that. So, but anyway, hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, do Mustangs.